Hey, this is Diana, your favorite Astro-Nerd, and it is time to do the two giveaways from my latest videos. And I'm going to do the giveaway of the DwarfLab hat. Once I do this giveaway, the way to communicate with you and the winner, of course, is in this video, but I also go to that comment where you wrote the comment, and I reply to you and I say, hey, you're the winner of the DwarfLab hat. I have two hats that they didn't respond to me, so I have no idea how to contact them. So these ones have way over a month and they haven't claimed their prize. So I guess it's time to move on. I'm going to do another giveaway of a DwarfLab t-shirt. Here we are. This is for the video in English in the Dwarf 3 telescope and revealing new app 3.0. Nomad D2175, and here is the comment. Great review. I have been looking for a smart telescope. Tough choice between Dwarf 3 and Sister. Where's Nomad? Now you need to get a Dwarf 3 telescope because you're going to have a DwarfLab hat. Congratulations. And I'll be writing a comment in your comment. So pay attention, Nomad. If not, I have to pick somebody else. Okay. Now in Spanish, para el video en español. Bueno, mucha suerte a los participantes y gracias por estar aquí conmigo. Así es que vamos a ver, aquí hay menos participantes, hay más oportunidades de ganar. A ver. De Portugal, oh, wow, mira, ganaste la gorra. Oh, Dios, ok, bueno, muchas felicidades. Y bueno, me voy a comunicar contigo en los comentarios y espero que me contestes. Well, thank you so much for watching my videos and stay tuned as more DwarfLab telescope videos are coming. I captured some amazing nebulas days ago. The North American Nebula, Pelican Nebula, they look so good. They don't need much editing, but I am going to release a couple of videos in the next few days and also short tutorials for the Dwarf 3 telescope and new tutorials for Dwarf 2 as new upgrades and AI enhance and EQ mode. So stay tuned. More coming from DwarfLab and your favorite Astro-Nerd. See you in a few days.